everyone, and welcome back to another Nerd Avenger YouTube video. So, any guesses what today's video is? Yep, I know you read the title. It is another Rubik's Cube video, because I know how much they are loved. I say loved, might want to put quotation marks on that. But yes, so it is another Rubik's Cube video. Right. Yeah, I'm going to try and better what I did the past two videos, which are from a couple of weeks ago now. Because recently I was just putting out video after video for the Manchester United series, and the last episode went up yesterday. We kept off the series in style, winning the Champions League. But yeah, you can go watch it if you want. Today's video is just about Rubik's Cube, so I'm just taking a few seconds trying to work out what I'm going to do before I actually do it, because I feel like sometimes at the start I'm a bit slow, which ends up making my time not as good as it could be. So I'm just working it out now quickly in my head. And yeah, we will start in a second. We'll adjust the angle that my phone is at so you can see the cube better, because you can't actually see it at all currently. It's just me looking right. Okay. I'm not in shot here. I should try to be in shot at least. But yeah, so we will start. I just want to check the time that the video is on. Okay, so we will start in 3, 2, 1, go. It's going to take a little bit longer than I hoped. Oh, it's going to take even longer. I'll leave them on there. You know what, I might just do quite a lot of souls this video, just so we can get an attempt in here. This one is going to take a while. I just know it. Because there's a stage that we get to that I'm not actually able to get to the end, or I can, it's just the article is way too long, so I just keep trying to go back a few steps and go again from there. But that doesn't always work brilliant. Okay, we're fine now. And we're done. So, just give me a second to scramble it, and I will be back for another take. I will hopefully fare slightly better off. That took about 2.5, maybe 3 minutes. But yeah. Cut to the second soul. Okay, so as you can see, as you can see, it scrambled, and yeah, on with the second soul. Not again. I hate when this happens. Everything gets slowed down so much. There we go. I can do better. What I will say is I'm not helped by that I have terrible dexterity, meaning I don't actually move very fast enough. And the cube that I have isn't actually one of the special speed cube designs, it's the official one. I know with the actual speed cubes they can go like way too fast, which, if you can keep it under control, it makes significantly faster. I've never actually tried using one, so we'll just stick with this. The other thing, I haven't learned the advanced method. I don't know how many of them there actually is, but the one that comes to mind is CFOP or Frederick's method, as you may also know it. Yeah, but just to summarize it. Yeah, so on with the third soul, yeah, that was an oopsie and a half. I think I'm just becoming slower at this. I've managed to time my fingers out when I'm doing this or something, which can't be a good sign. That's slightly better. Yeah. So I think I will leave it at that. Three souls in one video. It's alright. And yeah, I'm sorry that recently I seem to have resorted to only making Football Manager and Rubik's Cube videos. Although there have been others. There was the Doomsday Algorithm last Saturday, I want to say. Don't sue me if I'm wrong. And then there was the background tour. I say background tour. That's a bit of a loose term. Yeah, that was about a month ago, I think. But again, don't sue me if I'm wrong. Yeah. I mean, I don't know if I've mentioned it before, but my record is around the 2-minute mark. It might be slightly quicker. But, yeah. Sometimes I might just be slow because I sometimes don't get as lucky with my scramble. You know, because sometimes you could be doing the stages and things just happen to fall into place where you want them rather than you having to put them there, which ends up saving you time having to do that. And if it happens a few times, that can easily save you up to 1 minute, which is rather helpful. But yeah, I will try to hold off on doing these videos until I get slightly better. I'm not saying that I'm bad at it currently, I'm just saying I'm not amazing, and I know I don't want to just do the same thing all over again, where it's just this level. I mean, I will try and learn Sea Vault, but I can't guarantee that I will be able to learn it. I do fear that it might just throw me off with the current algorithm that I know, which I don't want to happen. I can solve it. I don't want to have to relearn to solve it again. But yes, I will leave it at that for this video. Thank you for watching, and actually, no, I'll hold off. I was gonna talk about the football mode of 2020 beta so far, what I've played, but I'll wait until another time for that. And next week videos, I got the Xbox recording working again, so I might do videos on games that I haven't yet done. And also, I'm thinking maybe I could do videos on games I have on the computer that I haven't done videos on before. But again, no promises. See you next time. Ta-ra!